started this channel with airline review videos. So when I came to Atlanta and got to know there is a Delta flight museum, I know I had to make video on this. So let's go inside. So this is prop era. What that means is when planes had propeller, not jet engine. So earlier there were radial propeller engines, which moves like this. And this one is that engine. Cylinder radial engine, first delivered to Delta 1924, almost 100 years back. This is the prototype of that 100-year-old plane. This is how airline seats were 100 years back. Aviation has came a long way. This one has wooden propeller. Wooden. Some planes are even 100 years old, and there is information about very old planes like Douglas M2, Lockheed 10 Electra, Douglas DC-6, Douglas DC-7, and I'm sure you will love it. And now we came to jet era. I am under Boeing 767. Because of Corona, we can't go inside. See, locked. Otherwise, we could go there. We can sit there. And now we will go inside Boeing 767.
Hey, good morning. Hey. Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. Boeing 737 simulator. And now the beast. One of my favorite plane, Boeing 747. Hi.
Now start you to the front of the plane.
Thank you.
Upstairs too, don't forget the upstairs.
Yeah.
Hold on.
This might be my only chance to sit in a first class. And I'm in the nose of 747. Pilots are also behind us. We are in the front. I think this is the best time to tell you about our sponsors. I'm kidding, we don't have any sponsors. This is the best time to tell you, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. And now, let's go to the second floor.
As I was just telling him, we're going to start you to the front of the plane.
These are the bunk beds for crew to sleep. It's very dark here, but yeah, there are two bunk beds, one and one more. This is another place for crew to sleep. Now I am under gigantic 747. if you like airplanes, or in general if you like aviation, and if you come to Atlanta, you must visit this place, and I'm sure you will love it.